do you have this problem? You plugged in your charger, but it's green, it's not red, so it means it's not charging. I'll show you what might be the cause of this problem and how to fix it. First you have to disassemble your hoverboard. It's just one ordinary screwdriver, and you take out the plastic and you get your battery. Take your multimeter and measure the voltage. It will be easier for you since you are holding nothing, but I'm holding my phone to show you how to do this. So yes, I succeeded. If you're an octopus, it would be much easier. If you get something like this, so this is pretty low value, you might get 2 or 5, 6 or 10 volts. Battery is, as you can see, 36 volts, so this is pretty low, and then you might have some same problem as I do. What you have to do now is to remove this blue coatings from the battery. I already did it, and you get something like this. Okay, and note that there is this B- connector, and now we will use this one, and we will use this one, so plus. This is a plus, and this will be our minus. Now, I'm not sure what are we doing here, but I guess that we are bypassing this BMS and charging the battery directly. Because what might be the cause of the whole not charging situation is that the BMS is protecting the battery, and because of that low voltage, BMS doesn't allow us to charge the battery, so we will now bypass him and charge it directly. I might be wrong, but this solution is proven to work, so if I'm wrong, feel free to correct me, but this will solve your problem if you have the same problem as I do. Now you need a charger, and I actually use this original charger. I will cut it here, and I will get black and red wire, because with this connector I cannot obviously charge this, but with plus and minus I will be able to do it. If you don't want to cut your original hoverboard charger, you might use another one, if you have it, of course, but I will use this one since I don't have any other, and I will show you how to connect it. After cutting the connector, you will get these two wires, so it's black and red, and you will connect black to this minus and red to this plus. Use this alligator clamps to connect this red wire to the plus and black wire to the minus, and you will just hold it like this, and you might get some sparks, but don't worry, it's nothing dangerous. I haven't blown my house yet, so I hope that you will not too. And when you do this, when everything is connected, your charger should start to charge, and the green light that was before should change its color to red. And let's see, that's exactly what happened. So now your battery is charging, and after some time, I don't know how much, because it depends on your battery and the voltage of your battery, it's always different. You will try this, so you will connect this here, and your charger will finally say, okay, you held it with your hand enough, now I'll charge it normally. It's red, as you can see, and you just leave it like that. Now it's charging through BMS, and now everything is normal. It's red. It will be charging maybe 2 hours, then this will become green again, and it will be fully charged. Now note that I'm using this connectors. They are pretty handy for this situation, but if you don't have them, don't worry, just use wires or something like that. Improvise something. If you have something better, then cool, use it. But wires could do the work. Actually, yesterday I did it with wires. So now you can see everything is fine. It's red, it's charging, leave it like that, come back when this becomes green, and then you will measure the voltage and you will see that everything is fine. Measure your battery with a multimeter and it shows almost 40 volts. So it is fully charged, and now you only need to pack it back in that blue envelopes, and envelope is not a good term for that, but I don't know how to call it, and put it back in your hoverboard and you're ready to go.